Let us try to find out the answer of question number 19, 20 and 21. Let us see the question number 19. Why are some substances biodegradable and some substances non-biodegradable? Substances that are broken down by biological processes are said to be biodegradable. As for example, paper, vegetable products, fruits, leaves, peels, etc. These are natural substances. They are converted from complex form to simple form and can be used by other microbial organisms which are present in the soil. But again, there are certain substances that are not broken down by the biological processes and they are said to be non-biodegradable substances. These substances may be inert and simply persist in the environment for a long time or may harm the various members of the ecosystem. As for example, synthetic substances like plastic, polyethylene, chemical pesticides, etc. Now, see the question number 20. Give any two ways in which biodegradable substances would affect the environment. The biodegradable substances gets converted from complex to simple form, and when they mix with the soil, the microorganisms present in the soil can use that and can help them to sustain life of other organisms. Also, during biodegradation, some gases may be released and that can cause pollution also. See the question number 20. Give any two ways in which non-biodegradable substances would affect the environment. That is question number 21. Non-biodegradable substances. The non-biodegradable substances are inert and simply persist in the environment for a long time and harm the various members of the ecosystem. It causes soil and water pollution. Again, due to non-biodegradable substances, the function of the ecosystem may be disturbed and the energy transfer from one trophic level to another trophic level can be in danger or it can totally stop also.